able to get some threes going, and then obviously defensively, Louisville wasn't able to capitalize on their end. Kind of describe some of those stretches to me and how you guys were able to sort of get control of this game and go by double.
I mean, we were just playing up on the shooters, playing active, running the shooters off the lines. I mean, that team takes a lot of threes. And they don't really make shots in the high post, which was tough for them. So when we get defensive stops, I mean, when I'm playing the play, I just try to push and get it down the court as fast as possible.
And now that this game's out of the way, obviously, maybe the biggest game of the season, coming in #1 team in the country. What is the focus? How does the focus change now that they're actually up next on the schedule, and obviously all the hoopla surrounding the game and all those things heading into #1 matchup too?
I mean, it's just another game to me. I mean, we played big game before. We played them before, so it's nothing new.
How hungry do you expect them to be? Going to their place, beat them, you yourself obviously going off for 30 plus there. Kind of how hungry do you expect them to be coming into the game?
I mean, anytime you lose to another team, you want to beat them the second time. So I'm pretty sure they'll be pretty. They'll be ready to go. I mean, they're a good team, well coached, really good players, so they'll be ready.
Coach said the offense is a little bit different when you're running the point. How is it different?
I mean, I'm just trying to get in the paint. I mean, the defense converges. I mean, they help in, and I just try to kick it out to teammates. I mean, it helps me out, helps them out, and then people like Elijah, Buddy, and O'Shea, they get wide open threes.
Is there any change in your confidence going into this game, knowing that you guys came out and beat Duke already? Does that change your approach for the next game?
No.
Do you have to give a heads up to some of the freshmen about how loud it's actually going to be in there when 36,000 expected and obviously the hype of who the opponent is and all that sort of stuff?
I mean, I want them to experience it for themselves. I mean, I've been in situations like that when I played them the first time here, and it was packed. I think it was 30,000. It wasn't 36. So, I mean, it's gonna be a lot of fun.
In environments like that, does it affect communication much? How do you try to get by when it does get that noisy like it does?
I mean, I think we practice so much that I think we're fine. I mean, we played at Cameron indoors loud as anything, so I mean, we were fine there. We're able to communicate well. So
we'll take you through a few double teams at them tonight. What do you see when you're on defense that makes you get into one of those?
I mean, anytime the defender turns his back on one of our guards, we just try to catch him by surprise and hopefully lead to a turnover.
Tyus, in the second half, they threw a full court press at you guys. How were you guys able to stay composed against that?
I mean, we're a high Division I athletes. I mean, we've seen so many presses throughout our basketball careers. I don't think 1-2-2 is gonna mess us up too much.
Tyus, can you talk about how important it was to come out and play like you guys did tonight after a week off and considering the stretch of games you're starting right now?
I mean, it was good. I mean, it was good to. These next couple games are gonna be tough. So to start this stretch off with a win, that week off gave us time to refocus. I mean, get ready for Louisville, and it obviously paid off.